This new website will pay you every time you copy and paste an image or a picture. That's all. People from all over the world are using this strategy to make money online and generate thousands of dollars every single day. It's time to reveal this strategy so you can claim your share of this big pie. Many people can't believe that there is such a simple method to make money online. And that's what we are going to learn today. I will share with you this strategy step by step and drop some tips and tricks to help you double up your profit. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first step is to go to TemplateMonster.com. I am sure some of you are already familiar with this platform, but for those who have never heard about it, TemplateMonster.com is a completely free platform. It is a digital marketplace where you can get a variety of digital products such as website templates, plugins, and graphic designs. On top of that, you can get WordPress, Shopify, PowerPoint designs, and the list goes on. No worries, you won't have to buy anything. There is no need to invest any money into this strategy. We will use this site to sell images that we will be making with a second website that I will be sharing with you in a bit. You also don't have to make or build anything, since I will share with you a tool that will do all the work on your behalf. So you just need to do some copy and paste, and you're good to go. This is a powerful and simple method that you can start applying today. As usual, I will show some examples of people who are already crushing it on this platform. So watch this video until the end to see it all. Once you watch and follow all the steps mentioned in this video, I can guarantee you that you will finally make your very first sale on the internet. Let me just tell you, it is extremely satisfying to see that first sale notification. I still remember that day. I was super happy. According to SimilarWeb, this platform gets more than 1.5 million visits every month from all over the world. That's a huge number, and you can easily sell something to these people, which is what we are learning today. There are tons of items that you can sell here. You don't need any design or coding skills. The tool I will share afterward will do all the work on your behalf. We are going to take the example of the CV templates, as I am sure that all of us are familiar with this important document, and we can easily market on social media if we want to increase our sales. So what we need to do is hit on all products, graphics, then the CV templates. You will be taken to this place where you can see these CV templates that these guys are selling. We can see how many orders they received and the price they are charging, so we can easily estimate how much money they are making. This one, for example, has sold his template more than 570 times. The price is $21. That's a great $12,000 pure profit. Simply amazing. You can also see the other examples. Everybody's making some solid cash here. And it's now your turn. You can check out the best sellers here to get an idea about the most popular designs and duplicate them afterward using the tool I will share with you next. These guys are killing it here. This is going to be a super exciting one. Make sure to watch it till the end. And don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more methods on how to make money online. To start selling, we just need to click here. The process won't take more than a minute to complete, and you officially become a seller. It's just a simple registration process that you can easily do. But let us know in the comment section if you face any challenges along the way. Once you're logged into your account, you can start listing down the digital products that you want to sell and begin making money. All you need to do is select the type of product you wish to sell. In our case, we are trying to sell CV templates. Let's choose that. Then click on Next. You will be taken to this place where you need to describe the product. You can get it from the tool I will share with you later, so keep watching. That's all. Just confirm the description and submit the file, and you're ready to make money on this platform. Now let's learn where to find the CV templates that we can sell here. Before we continue, welcome to our channel where we share with you the latest strategies on how to make money online. We share new methods every day, so make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It takes a few seconds, but it encourages us to make more free content in future. Now I want you to go to Krella.com. It's a free graphic design tool that helps you create amazing content in a few minutes. You can browse thousands of professional templates and edit them right away. This will be the tool we will use to build graphic content that we can sell afterward on TemplateMonster.com. With some simple drag and drop, we can build our store and start making money. You can search the type of content you want to make. Let's look for CV templates. There are thousands of examples here. We just need to edit and upload them on TemplateMonster.com. Let's say if you like a template, just click on it to see a preview and think of all the changes you can do to make it more appealing. If you like it, just hit on Use this template. You will be taken to the dashboard. It is possible to change any element on the template, including the text, color, photos, and so on. It won't take much of your time. Once done, just hit on Download. You will be asked to sign up. Just create your account and you are all set. In this example, we need to download the file as a standard PDF. You know what to do next, right? Imagine if you do this every day and you keep on expanding your store on TemplateMonster.com. You will definitely get your first sale in a matter of time. I won't say it will happen on the first day, but if you put enough effort and energy, you will get your first sale within days. I am sure of it. The template will be available forever, so it's a passive income method that you can set and forget. And the best part is that you don't need to pay any fees or memberships. It's absolutely free. So what are you waiting for? Once you start making sales on this platform, you can begin thinking about scaling this method. There are many ways to do that. You can hire someone from Fiverr to make the designs for you. You can pay as low as $5 for 5 different templates. Then you can review and upload them to the platform. The more templates you have, the higher are the chances to get a sale. You can also run some ads on social media to drive more sales to your store. It's something to consider when you get to an advanced level. But in my opinion, you can consider selling other artworks on this platform, such as PowerPoint designs or even logo templates. No need to create them by yourself. You can always hire other people to do it for you. You pay them one time, and the designs will be on the platform forever, making you passive profit. You just need 1 or 2 of them to take off. That will get you all your investment back. To speed up the process of getting that first sale, I suggest you interact with your potential customers on social media. For instance, you can target people who are looking for someone to create a CV or logo for them. You can suggest they do it on TemplateMonster.com and give them a link to one of your templates. It is not difficult to find these potential buyers. You just need to run a quick search on Twitter using keywords such as "Need help CV?" or "How to make a CV." You can use the same strategy on Reddit or even Quora. But of course, make sure that your comment is always relevant. If you have made it all the way to the end, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section where you come from. Our family is growing every day, so if you want to learn more ways how to make money online, then subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.